Okay, guys, so today we are getting into geography and we are getting into US history, and we are trying to answer the question, was the United States built by immigrants? So today you guys have already watched a video on immigration and you've already done a warm-up and created a word wall for this unit, and now you guys are going to interpret some maps about some immigrant groups that have impacted the United States. So I want to talk you guys through how to interpret a map so that you can be successful on this quiz. It's not a graded quiz. I just want to see where you're at with interpreting maps. So there's pretty much 5 steps to interpreting a map. We'll call it however many we need to. But the first one is you got to look at the title, because the title tells you the topic of this map. So this title says U.S. immigrant population by state and county 2014 through 2018. So I know this map is talking about the U.S. immigrant population. I know it's going to break it down by state and county, and I know that we're talking about 2014 to 2018. So we're talking about pretty recent stuff. This map is not going to give me any information on what happened before 2014. The next thing I'm looking at the key, and on this map, generally the key tells you what all the colors in the map mean. So on this map right here, the key is this sliding scale of blue. So the lighter blue, the fewer immigrants, and the darker blue, the most immigrants. Okay, now we're going to try to get some context, right? So we're looking for a location, which we already know. It's the US, United States of America. We're looking for dates, right? So like what time period are we in? This is modern, right? It's 2014 through 2018. And we're looking for any other features, like what other information is there in here? And this map doesn't look like it has cities or anything like that, so it looks like it's just states. So what I'm asking you guys to do is to interpret these maps and give me a statement about each of these maps and tell me who would find this map useful, who would use it. So for this map, I'm looking at it, and if the darker blue means that a state has more immigrants, then I might make a statement that California has the most immigrants out of any state in the United States. And if you click on this, it's actually pretty interesting. They've got 10.5 million immigrants from all countries. So 24% of California's population is from a different country. 24% of that population is an immigrant. So my last question is, who would use this map? Why is this map useful? And I'm thinking that I would use this map if I was an immigrant and I was trying to figure out where I wanted to move to. I would maybe want to move to a place with more immigrants so that I would feel like I had more of a community. Who else would use this map? The government could use this map to figure out like where to put services to support immigrants, like which states need English language programs or something like that. Let's check out Colorado. So Colorado, that's interesting. There's only 1% of people in Colorado are from another country. So that's interesting. Okay, guys, so enjoy the rest of this quiz. You're going to look at a map of the slave trade. You are also going to look at a map of the European colonists coming to North America.